All right, we're gonna get started. Okay, welcome to our Tiny Talkers Toddler Book Club. So this month for December, we're reading Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Have you read this story before?
Yeah, we have, haven't we, Bud?
Yeah, it's such a good one. All right, so Little Blue Truck's Christmas, written by Alice Sherdall, illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. I have my little blue truck here. Does anybody have a little blue truck at home?
We got a truck.
Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. What do you think he needs to do? Does he need to go pick out our Christmas trees? Does anybody have a Christmas tree at home?
You have a tree, Charlie?
Say yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Is it decorated with lots of lights?
Do you have lights on the tree, Charlie?
What's that?
Yeah, downstairs.
Look, she has a Christmas tree there. The Christmas tree is green.
Yeah, blue. We're going to do this blue first.
Five trees ready to take a ride. One. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many trees will fit inside?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees,
4.
4. Just enough room for 1 tree more.
Miss Stephanie, are you down?
5 green trees make 1 big load.
Beep.
Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. Let's put all our trees inside Little Blue. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Raise your hand if you need a Christmas tree. Can we count all the cars and trucks on the road? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trucks and cars are on the road. Let's see who wants a Christmas tree. Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Let's see who else wants one. Look. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 1, 2, 3 green Christmas trees. Ready? Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Piggy wants the tree. Now there are 1, 2 green Christmas trees. Ma, says the goat. This short one, please. Ma. Does anybody know what the goat says? Ma. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. Only 1 left. Can you hold up 1 finger? Good job. One tree left in a little blue truck. One tree left. What very good luck. Who do you think wants the last green Christmas tree? Who do you think wants it? Do you think the horsey wants it? What do you think? Nay. Do you think the horse wants the last Christmas tree? Let's see. Who wants our last Christmas tree? Little blue truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. Look at little blue truck's Christmas tree. Isn't it so pretty? And now I'll show you on my side. Whoa, look at the blinking Christmas tree. Do you see all the Christmas tree lights on the tree? They go blink, blink, blink. Which color Christmas light is your favorite? Do you like the red one or the blue or the yellow? They're all so pretty. The end. Did you guys like the story, Little Blue Truck's Christmas? Should we say hi to our friends who got their Christmas trees? All right. So here is our cow. Our cow got a Christmas tree. Who knows what the cow says?
Say moo.
Moo. The cow says moo. He got one Christmas tree. Let's see what other animals we saw. Who knows what animal this is?
There's a blue truck.
Say oink oink.
I'm going. There's a
Oink,
blue
oink. You're right. The piggy says oink, oink, oink. The pig is pink and he says oink, oink. And he also got a Christmas tree. Oink, oink, oink. And then we found the goat. Does anybody know what the goat says? Ma, you're right. Ma, and our goat got a Christmas tree too. Ma, good job. And then, this isn't an animal, but he got a Christmas tree too. Who knows what Little Blue Truck says?
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. And Little Blue got his beautiful Christmas tree too, right? Beep, beep, beep. Does anybody have a truck at home to play with? Honk, honk, beep, beep. So what you can do at home is find your own truck. It doesn't even have to be blue. It can be any color. And Miss Becky and Miss Stephanie sent mommies and daddies and your caregivers these little Christmas trees that you can print out at home. And you can tape them to popsicle sticks or little pencils. And you can act out the story all on your own. So you can tape your Christmas trees to the pencils. And then you can put all your Christmas trees into the truck. Beep, 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 beep. And help Little Blue deliver all the Christmas trees to all his animal friends too. Does anybody have little stuffed animals at home? So you can use little hand puppets like the horse. Or you can even just find little animals like this. And you can use them to act them out as well. Raise your hand if you liked the story, Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Me. Did anybody like Little Blue Truck's Christmas? Yeah, it's a fun one. Thanks so much for joining us today with Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Does anybody have an idea of what we should do for our January Toddler Book Club? What's your favorite book? Does anybody have a favorite book? Send us your ideas and maybe we'll do it next month, okay? We hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season, and we'll see you in January, okay? Can everybody wave goodbye? Say, bye, Little Blue. Should we say bye to the Little Blue Truck? Bye, Blue.
Bye, Blue.
Bye, Blue.
Bye, Blue.
Bye. Should we say bye to our animals? Ready?
Bye, animals.
Bye, animals. Bye, Mr. Piggy.
Bye, Miss Peggy.
Oink, oink. Bye, Mr. Piggy. See you later. Who should we say goodbye to next? Should we say goodbye to the cow or to the cow or the goat? Who should we say goodbye to?
Cow.
The cow. Okay. Moo. That's how I say goodbye. Moo. Goodbye, Mr. Cow. Goodbye, friends. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
We say goodbye to our goat. Ma. Ma. Goodbye, goat.
Bye-bye, goatie.
Bye-bye.
Oh,
All right.
no.
I guess we'll say one last goodbye to our favorite Little Blue Truck. Bye, Little Blue.
Bye, little Blue.
Bye, Little Blue.
Oh, no, let's get that.
Good waving. Now can we say goodbye to all our friends? Bye, friends. Good waving. Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you next month.
Thank you.
Bye.
Time.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye, everybody.
Next